Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna open up a figure that I won. It's the Kakashi figure on the Vibration Stars series. So I won this off Toreba, so I'll insert the footage somewhere. I kind of started off from the start trying to win this one, and I got it really easily, so it only took a couple of tries. So yeah, I'm gonna open up the box and see what we have. So I still need to get the Naruto one, but I'll just buy that one because I missed out on trying to win that one. So as with usual, these figures, it comes like that, and you've got to put it together. So these ones are different from the Grundista ones. We'll start off with the first one, which is the top half of Kakashi, and the skin's really yellow for some reason. I don't know what's up with that, but we've got the top of the figure here. So I've got the Chidori, and then the figure, and that, and then it has like that click system in the bottom. Next one we have is the bottom, the bottom bit. So nothing special, just some legs, and it sort of just fits in. It's always really hard with these figures. Sometimes they don't really fit correctly and they're really hard to put together. The Sasuke one is really difficult to put together, and I actually can't put it together because the belt doesn't really fit around it very well, and it kind of doesn't fit. The next one, we have a stand, and we have the base of the stand as well. So stand just fits in like that. The stand, and then on the figure there's like a little hole that the end fits into. So somehow it fits in. Like that, and then yeah, fits in like that. The stand doesn't really fit in all that well. I mean, that's the best that it fits in, but I suppose for display purposes that'll be fine, because you're not really going to mess around with it. The paint job's not too bad. The skin seems to be like, I don't know, it's very yellow, like it looks almost off-colored, but whether that changes in the future or not, or something to do with yellowing of the figure, I don't know. But I guess compared to the gem figures, they're very yellow, so yes. Anyway, that is the Kakashi figure. It's not bad. I thought the Chidori would be like a see-through plastic rather than a painted plastic. It's like a painted metal plastic. I thought it was see-through, but it's not. Which is really strange because Sasuke's one's a little bit different again. I thought you might be able to remove it, but you obviously can't. But yeah, pretty cool figure, and it's pretty affordable if you like Naruto things or any other animes type things. A lot of Band Presto figures are pretty affordable. You can, especially in Australia, you can find them for like $35–40. They're probably much cheaper in America, but yeah, they're pretty affordable. If you can't afford the gem figures, these are probably the next best thing. And yeah, like I said, super affordable. So I don't know what figure's coming out next for Naruto, but I'll keep checking on the Banpresto website to see when they update things. There's so many Dragon Ball Z ones, so I'm glad I'm not like that full on into Dragon Ball Z, because then I'd be broke. But yeah, so anyway, that is Kakashi. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks to my patrons that support me. If you want to support me, you can head over there at Creatures of Nat. The link will be in the description. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, my shop at creaturesofnat.com. And yes, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.